If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we are going to be making Rasabali. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are: take some cloves and one black cardamom and make a powder of it, from which we need about a teaspoon of that. Then quarter cup of refined flour or maida, 1 cup of sugar, a quarter cup of semolina or suji, and half a teaspoon of salt. Then take about 4 cups of milk in a pan and set the flame on high and bring that to boil first. Then after that, reduce the flame to medium, and to the milk add about 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and wait for a couple of minutes. What that will do, it will make Chena or cottage cheese. So in a couple of minutes you will see something like this. So at this stage, switch off the flame and take a bowl along with a cotton cloth. Place it on top of the bowl and if possible tie it or make some knots. Then gently pour the cottage cheese or Chena on top of it. So the cloth will collect it and the water will go down into the bowl, which we don't need. So once you get all the Chena, slowly pour some water on top of it to get rid of the sour lemon flavor. Now take about 1 cup of Chena in a bowl and to that add the maida, suji, half of sugar, half of the powder and half of the salt. Now combine these really well and only if needed add some water, just enough to bind it like a dough. And once these are well combined, knead it to make a soft dough. Then let it rest for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Now take about 2 cups of milk, which is roughly about half a liter, and place that on medium flame. Then to that add about half a cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of powder and a pinch of salt. Now mix it up really well and let it reduce almost 2/3 of the quantity. Now take a small portion of the dough just like this and shape it like a ball. Then flatten it. And now we will fry these. So for that, take lots of ghee or oil in a pan and set the flame on high. Then add them one by one. And we need to fry these till they are golden brown in color. Then transfer them directly into the reduced milk and let these boil until the milk is almost reduced and feels like rabidi. And it should be done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad, Rasabali. So do try this at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.